When it comes to home improvement, doors often take a backseat to more prominent projects like kitchens or landscaping. However, doors are essential to the security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of any home. In Layton, homeowners increasingly recognize the value of professional door installation services over the DIY route, and for good reason. Here's why Layton residents prefer turning to the experts when it's time to upgrade their doors. Expertise and precision. Professional door installation services bring a level of expertise that DIY efforts often lack. Doors come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, and installing them correctly requires an understanding of measurements, hardware, and framing. A misaligned door can lead to issues such as drafts, difficulty closing, or compromised security. Layton homeowners appreciate that professionals ensure their doors are installed with precision. Whether it's a front entry door, sliding glass door, or an interior door, experts have the training and tools to handle the job efficiently and accurately. This ensures that the door functions properly, fits seamlessly, and enhances the home's overall appearance. Enhanced security. One of the primary purposes of a door is to provide security. Professional installers ensure that doors are not only fitted correctly but also reinforced with reliable locks, deadbolts, and security systems. Improper installation can leave gaps or weaknesses that intruders can exploit. Layton residents value peace of mind, knowing their doors are installed by experts who prioritize safety. Professionals understand the nuances of modern door technology, such as smart locks and reinforced materials, which further enhance security. Energy efficiency. With Layton experiencing a range of weather conditions, from hot summers to chilly winters, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Properly installed doors create a tight seal that keeps conditioned air inside and outdoor elements out. This reduces energy consumption and lowers utility bills. Professional installers understand how to optimize a door's energy efficiency. They use the right materials, weather stripping, and sealing techniques to ensure no drafts or leaks. Layton residents notice the difference in their energy costs and indoor comfort after investing in expert installation. Time and convenience. Installing a door might seem straightforward, but it can quickly become a time-consuming project, especially for those without experience. From removing the old door to leveling the frame and ensuring proper alignment, the process can take hours, or even days, for DIY enthusiasts. For Layton homeowners with busy schedules, hiring professionals is a convenient solution. They can focus on their daily responsibilities while leaving the hard work to the experts. Professional installers complete the job efficiently, saving homeowners the hassle and frustration of attempting it themselves. Access to quality material. Professional door installation services often provide access to high-quality materials that may not be readily available at local hardware stores. From solid wood doors to advanced composite materials, experts can recommend options that suit a homeowner's style, budget, and functional needs. In Layton, residents appreciate the guidance professionals offer in selecting durable, attractive doors that enhance their home's curb appeal and value. The combination of premium materials and expert installation ensures a long-lasting upgrade. Warranty and post-installation support. When Layton homeowners choose professional door installation services, they often receive warranties on both the product and the installation. This added assurance means that if issues arise, they can rely on the installer to address them without incurring additional costs. DIY efforts lack this safety net, and errors in installation can be costly to fix. With professionals, Layton residents gain peace of mind, knowing their investment is protected. Boosting home value. A professionally installed door not only functions better but also looks more appealing. Curb appeal is crucial in maintaining or increasing a home's value, particularly in a competitive housing market like Layton's. Whether it's an elegant entry door or stylish patio doors, expert installation enhances a home's aesthetic, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Conclusion. For Layton residents, the benefits of professional door installation services far outweigh the perceived cost savings of a DIY approach. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to convenience and long-term value, the advantages are clear. By trusting professionals, homeowners in Layton can ensure their doors are installed to the highest standards, providing lasting functionality, beauty, and peace of mind.